Ang tawa ko kay Hadasa kasi sabi niya, sinarado ko yung door, bakit biglang bumukas? Nung pagpasok ni Hana, sabi ko, hindi, wind lang yun. Tapos biglang tignan mo gumagalaw mag-isa ba?
Help me!
Wait lang, hintayin natin. Tapos nung gumalaw siya mag-isa, halaka kaming dalawa ni Hana. Ni Hadasa. Hindi, it's just opening by itself because of the wind. Gumagalaw mag-isa.
What if there's a wolf?
Alam niyo, tawa sila ng tawa sa akin kasi kanina gumagawa ako ng Spanish bread be. Yung ball, bumagsak mag-isa sa may hagdanan. Well, ayoko matakot, no? Magdarasal na lang tayo. Yan, we love you. Have a great day. Ayan, day. Gagawa tayo ng egg roll. Nilagay ko na lang ito kasi ayoko masira yung green na gulay. Tsaka gusto kong kumain si Hana at saka Hadasa ng vegetables. So, lutuin muna natin. Gagawa tayong egg roll. Favorite yan ni Hana. Well, actually, gusto ko rin ng egg roll. Masarap, diba? Si Hadasa gusto rin. Actually, gusto halos ang lahat ng egg roll. So, yan. Luto muna tayo. Make sure that you get the piatos and the dollar. Oh, later. I'll blow it later. Jump first. Practice. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, go! Ah! Yay! Gawa na, be. I don't have bamboo. I just use this one there.
Mommy,
Yay!
out now.
Yay! Come on, Ate is jumping first.
Hey.
Maybe it will. Ah! Don't break it! Don't break it. We love you. Have a great night. Have a great day. Babe, we'll just roll this. Wait, I'll finish this first. Babe, it's done. And we have to put more kasi there's more here. I'm tired to put it kasi it's not bamboo. So I'm actually sewing it. Like, kinakarayom ko siya, be. I'm using needle to put the thread on the chocolates. And yeah, we have another game, a line game. So that one, that has some animals because Hannah's motif is animals. Is safari or animals, and we're going to put this one too. We're going to add this one to, I'm not sure. Kinuha niya yung yeah. I'm just teaching them earlier. We're practicing a little bit, but it's first time for them. I think I experienced this when we were young. Diba? It's fun, diba? Whenever you jump on it. Parang wow. Tapos ito, be, they will remember that. Because me, I remember it when we had that before. Plus this one, I have to add this because it's a lot. So, tas this one, there's our yung bookmark. Tapos ito, kasi I ordered this online. You can have it online, like bookmarks. It's just affordable, day. And the chocolates, I didn't put it like, if you want to. Whatever you want to put on there. It's up to you, right? In Philippines, I think they put some toys, but this one is not. We'll just add like $1 size plastic. So, merong siyang 5 pieces. So, 250 pesos lang. Just so that they will have fun. And the one that, line that may blindfold sila, tig $1 din, be. So, para masaya. Yan. Lalagay natin para habang naka-blindfold, tapos kunin nila, diba? Tapos, wala akong if you don't have bamboo, you can use this, be. If you want to. I just add that one kasi she's a girl, so it's pink. Parang may line siya. But actually, the original of this one is, you're using bamboo. It's, nailed, or I think some people put nails on it, or some people put, thread on it. It's good like that. It's going up and down. Pasabit. Games. Meron lang dito parang balls, small balls, as may balloons. I saw a girl made this one. There's balloons. I'll add more piatos. Siguro 3 piatos. Then the last one would be the 5 pieces, the $1. So 50 pesos each, no? Ayan, it's done. This will be next 2 weeks pa. So I'll prepare everything muna. Ayusin muna natin. Hi, Anna. She's watching. To add this, the other ones I'll just put it tomorrow. Because if it's bamboo, it will be easier to put this one. But since it's not bamboo, be, I can't find bamboo here. Actually, this is just parang looks like screen. A screen, yeah. Screen that is white. You know that, the plastic white. And there's pink one too. Here, I think this is best that I put the tape. It, you can see the screen. So I don't want it to look like a screen. But next time, maybe I'll just put this wallpaper at the back side. Wallpaper is easier. Kasi you'll just put it. Because the tape is one by one I added. But it's okay. So, I think you can also use, sturdy cardboard. Kung wala kayong, if you don't have bamboo, you pile up 3 or 2 cardboards, rectangle style like this, then put wallpaper on it, each side. And then you can just sew it if you want to. Depends how you will put, me, I just put, like, here's this chocolate, yeah, I'll just put thread on it, use needle. But the other ones are not. And then we're going to make Spanish bread. We're craving for it. And tomorrow is a Friday schedule that I was telling you that we have potluck. So I'm going to bring dessert. So I'm going to bring some, so maybe 8 or 10 pieces of Spanish bread. But I'm going to make like 15 or 20 pieces of macaroons since it's just tiny bit. So we're going to put this. I already add the yeast. So Spanish bread is really good one. Sometimes we have cravings, right? So this one, I haven't had this. The last time I did was when I ordered it. But this one we're making. So, yeah, let's bake. Yan, gawin na natin. Let's do it already. So, we'll just finish this. It's just so fast. I'll do everything today, Thursday. So, it's May 16. So, tomorrow, Friday, I'm just going to reheat it a little bit. And then, before we attend there. We didn't go there last Friday because we're just busy. Musical ng kids. So, Sis Leia didn't schedule it. So, we also attended. Me and Mitzi, a friend, a Filipina friend here. We watched the singing contest here. Big grabe. There's singing contest here. Kasi ano to be? Base to be. Air Force Base. So, they have singing contest every year. It's April, May. Ganon. They have like 4 to 6 rounds. So, if you got eliminated in the first, second, and third, then you will not be able to join the championship, right? So, they have championship. The first one, they have gift card for $50. Yeah, $50. And then, basta ganun siya. Later on, second, third, fourth, ganun din. They also have a prize. And then, on the championship, they have $1,000. Be, $1,000 yun. Eh, ngayon kasi, di ba, hindi ko sure kung magkakaroon ng third pa kay Hana, yung kapatid ni Haddad at Hana. Hindi ko pa alam. Kasi nga, hinahabol ko, ang age ko. So, I have to have, before I reach 45 or 50. Yan. So, I'm going to just focus first ng practice this year. Kasi hindi pa ako nakasali. I wasn't able to join. Pero fun siya. Nung nanood kami, 6 silang magkakalaban be. Pero mas grabe ang sa Pilipinas. Sobrang gagaling talaga sa Pilipinas. So dito medyo mellow lang ganon. So yun sabi ko, ay sana sumali ako. Pero okay lang kasi may next year pa. So sabi ko, ay Hana, wag mo sasabihin ko ano makakantahin ko. Ang pinipili kong song ngayon, yung mga yung mga inspirational, alam niyo yun? Yung parang kagaya ng mga fireworks, yung mga ganon, tapos yung mga, ano ba iba? Yung fight song, I just have to memorize them. Kaya sabi ko, pwede bang may copy? Pero wag na lang, para mas maganda. Tsaka yung Conquerors, maganda din meaning nun, diba? Kaso nga lang, kailangan ko next year, I have to be slim, a little bit slim, tapos para masuot ko yung mga parang cute-cute na dress, alam niyo na. Tapos yun, sasali talaga ako, magbibigay tayo ng magandang performance, hopefully. Kahit hindi tayo manalo, even if we don't win, second prize, third prize is okay too. Kasi yung second prize, $500. Tapos yung first, yung champion, yun yung 1,000. So, hindi ko lang alam be. Magpa-practice pa tayo ng song. So, may 1 year pa tayo. Fun lang naman. The last time that I joined sing competition, years ago na be. Sa Taiwan, sumali din ako dati. Ang saya, may mga kapwa Pilipino din tayo sumali. So, I really want, kasi sa US wala masyadong competitions. Hindi ko lang sure kasi hindi ako naging group doon ng parang Filipino community. But, sa future, mag-join ako sa kanila kahit like once a month o kaya every 2 months para naman yung updated kung may mga sing competitions sila o kaya kung ano yung mga nila events nila, 'di ba? Mas masaya yung parang alam mo lang na may mga kapwa kang Pilipino sa isang lugar, parang ganoon. Pero may privacy ka pa rin kasi every 2 months lang kayo magkikita o kaya kahit after every 6 months. So yun. Excited na ako, nakakatawa. Pero next year Ang dami pa rin manonood nun, nakakahiya lang kasi, ano kasi siya para siyang, alam niyo na, yung mga hall, yung ganun. So, ang daming tao, di ba? So, ang gagawin ko na lang, tagal ko nang hindi nag-stage din. So, alam niyo na, kapag ka nasa stage ka, huwag mo na lang tignan yung mga tao, mag-concentrate ka na lang dun sa song. So, yung gagawin natin. Sana si Adasa makapanood kasi sinabi ko yun sa kanila. Sabi niya, Mami, bakit ba kami nagpa-practice? Sabi ko, practice kayo para matuto kayo ng song. Para anytime gusto niyo siya, yung parang gusto niyo sumali sa competitions or maka-inspire lang. Tapos ang nalaman nila, $1,000. Amin ko doon, sabi yun, hindi ko lang, ikaw kanta pala yan kay nanay, hindi ko pa pala nakwenta kay nanay. So, try natin, masaya siya, be. Tsaka kahit yung ano pa ba yung ibang song? I Turn to You, alam ko na yung I Turn to You. I-review ko na lang yung lyrics kasi nisali ko na rin yun dati. Kasi parang I Turn to You, in general siya, depende sa singer, di ba? Pero pwede mo rin kung para kay God siya. Kasi di ba si God, amidst everything, andyan pa talaga palagi para sa ating lahat. So, yun. Ako, siya. Generally, pag kinakanta ko yun, para talaga kay God siya na song. Ang ganda ng message niya. So, yun. Ayun, practice pa tayo. At saka Hero. Hero din pala. Ang daming maganda, no? So, ayun. Ang dami pa natin pag-aaralan. Siguro mga 10 songs, be. Try natin. For this year, ayan. Gawa muna tayong Spanish bread and then macarons. Mamaya na, pag napagod ako, if I'll be tired, I'm just going to make the macarons tomorrow. But it's just easy to make anyway. At saka masarap din kasi pagka sobrang new. Eto, gagawin man natin. Alam ko madali lang itong gawin eh. Sige, gawa muna tayo. Bake muna tayo. Ingredients are all inside. We already added the 2 eggs. We're almost done. Now we're ready to mix this. And then we'll have Spanish bread later. Timing kasi, ano ngayon? Around 1 o'clock. So, Hadas and Hannah will be back from school 3 p.m. So, this will be done pag nandito na sila sa bahay. Ayan. Gawa muna tayo. Ayan, minamasa na natin. So, 15 minutes to, be, kasi hindi ko na inano yung mixer dahil napapagod ako. Kung lalong malaki, no? Ito na lang. Nakakaloka rito, be. Alam niyo si Hadasa, sabi niya sa akin, may naramdaman daw siya doon sa kainan dito. Tinagalog ko na naman to kasi alam niyo na ibang topic to. Ngayon lang, 'di ba, nilagyan ko ng egg kanina, yung basta meron din ako, hindi ko pa nakwento sa inyo yung nangyari sa akin, yung pinakaunang-una namin dito na 1 buwan pa lang yata. Nagulat ako, feeling ko hangin lang siguro yun. Sa taas siya, nahulog yung bola, be. Mag-isa, walang tao dun sa taas. So, ang ingay niya, akala ko kung ano yun, di ba? Alam mo pa ganyan, in Jesus name ako, tapos dinadasalan ko na naman yung kung saan yun. Tsaka si Hadasa, sabi niya, Mami, alam mo, kakaiba dun sa saan man naramdaman? Sabi ko sa kanya, kusina, sala, sabi niya sa kainan daw. Parang may dumadaan daw ng kaliwat sa likod niya. Parang ganun. So, magdadasal tayo mamaya. Tsaka uy, alam niyo ba, nakasarado yung comment section, be. Binubuksan ko, nasasara ulit. Tapos, ikiklik ko yung edit na bubuksan, di ba? I-on mo. Hindi na siya ma-open, be. Hala, ano ba yan? Hindi na ba tayo lahat makakaganon? Kung sakali man, mga be, mag-hi-hello na tayo sa isa't isa. Papaunoorin ko pa rin kayo. Alam niyo naman yon. Have a great day. We love you. Gawin ko muna to, ha. Hindi ako natatakot kasi mas powerful si Jesus. Okay? Be, nakakatuwa. Para na tayong magbe-bakery na ito. Gawin na natin, ha. 30 grams daw eh. Dadamihan ko because dadaling ko to bukas Friday. So, magme-merienda lang tayo ng iba. Ng ilan. Share natin kaya sa Hana. Hindi pa luto, be. Gusto na ni Hana ng bread. Kulit. It's ready! Bake na natin. Dadalhin natin para bukas. Nag-o-open. Sana hindi mag-open. Ay, ito dalhin na lang to bukas ng 4, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. 14 pieces. Bahay, i-bake na natin.
It's not as thick as, it is thicker than my skin. Nom, nom, nom. Is it? No?
You're not an organ.
Oh.
Your tongue is an organ.
Hadasa, can you please show your flower? I like your flower.
Actually,
Come
no,
on.
Your tongue's a muscle.
Show your flower in your hand.
Aloha!
Gotta eat a little
It
more.
still has dough on it.
You like it? Ang mali, nakalimutan ko yung breadcrumbs. Yummy.
Yeah.
You love me so much after eating that. I'm just joking. Get the one that has sweet. I had mistake on it. Di, walang breadcrumbs. What? Sarap?
my fork here?
Yummy. Is it sarap, Hana?
Mommy cooked
Hana, is it yummy? Masarap daw sabi ni Hana.
because
Yum, let's eat. I liked it so much. This is our second one.
No!
Oh, ay aminin, masarap, masarap. Is it good? It's that good. She's eating the second batch. Is it the second one or the first one?
Second.
Is it good or not?
Good. Mom in the world. Best mom in the world.
Ah, thank you.
Mom in the world.
Ah, she said best. Why best? Because I made
Because you
Spanish
made
bread. She said it's so good. Then she licked my finger. Sarap pala, be. Kain tayo. I forgot the breadcrumbs. I'm going to put breadcrumbs on the other one. Yung dadali natin bukas, be. Kain mo na. Nasarap pa si Hana, no? Be, I didn't cook it 15 minutes. Akala ko kasi, I thought earlier it was more than 15 minutes, but that's why it got open. But actually, it didn't open. Really, baka yung fillings ko lang. It went out. So, it's a little bit okay. But I think next time, I have to put it down. Sa mga naglalagay, gumagawa ng Spanish bread, how do you do it? I think this one. Kasi alam nyo be, I don't have enough butter earlier, so I added cream cheese on this one. So that, just to make it, yung ano niya, yung way nung filling correct. So, next time, we will not add the cream cheese. Just, margarine. Ay na siya be, gawa na. Even if it went out, it's okay. Kasi share lang naman natin. Then, ilan siya be? 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 14 pieces be. Eh, may mga kids dun, kami, 15 kami. Anuhin ko na lang, gawan ko na lang ng paraan yan. Ano siya be? Tomorrow, i-share na. Macarons pa be, kasi sinisipag ako. Katsaka mura lang naman macarons, condensed lang naman yun be. So, condensed siya yung yung desiccated coconut. Yun lang. Kailan? Huli ko si Hadassah, third bread. Good night, beautiful friends. Look, Hana put this on her doll. Ang doll niya be, ang cute. Kasi di ba yung birthday niya, animals. So, I'm just bringing yung pinili ni Hadassah. Para siya ni Hadassah, tapos parang yung bear. Tapos itong maliliit na bear.
Beautiful friends. Today I'm giving beautiful friends.
We love you.
But right now, I'm giving my bear a shot. She's my daughter.
Mura lang to, be. Itong bear na to. Grabe, hindi siya mahal. Ang cute niya, no?
I use my bear as
Meron
my
pang isa, be.
child.
Tapos, gagawin natin, lalagyan natin yan sa birthday ni Hana. Good night. We love you. Have a great night. Cutie pie. Ayan. Wait. Ayan, be. Ito yung isa. Ang dami ko pang gagawin. May tutupin pa ako. Walang katapos. Alam mo, tawa kami ng tawa. Ang tawa ko kay Hadassah kasi sabi niya, sinarado ko yung door. Bakit biglang bumukas? Nung pagpasok ni Hana, sabi ko, hindi, yung wind lang yun. Tapos biglang tignan mo gumagalaw mag-isa.
Help me!
Wait lang, hintayin natin.
By a door.
Tapos nung gumalaw siya mag-isa, halaka kaming dalawa ni Hana. Ni Hadassah. Hindi. It's just opening by itself because of the wind. Gumagalaw.
What if there's a wall?
Alam niyo, tawa sila ng tawa sa akin kasi kanina gumagawa ako ng Spanish bread be. Yung ball, bumagsak mag-isa sa may hagdanan. Well, ayaw akong matakot, no? Magdarasal na lang tayo. Yan, we love you. Have a great day. Si Hadassah at Hana be kasi naka-short shorts si Hana. Tapos itong si Hadassah hindi pa nakabihis. Naligo kasi sila. Kaya kung saan ko lagay. Na joke lang. Okay, we love you. Have a great night. Take care. Taka sa inyong bintana. Ayan. Ayan tayo. Grace. They can't hear. Ayan. It's a little bit raining here right now and super windy.
Doors.
Ayan. Have a great night. We love you. We're going to hang their clothes. Ito yung clothes nila. Tinuturuan ko sila. Ito yung this is their clothes area, be. Aray ko. I still have to, Hana, I'm showing them. So, I'm folding some clothes there. But we don't have, alam nyo na, kasi most of our stuff is in Florida, right? So, I just put it there kasi ayoko na bumili ng maraming lagayan ng damit. Since mabilis lang ang 3 years. Hi, Hana! Say hi! Say hi to everyone. We love you. Say hi, everyone. We love you. Have a great day. Hi, have a great day. Kakagising niya lang. Your sister, ato kay Hadassah to, siya yung gumawa. Well, tinuturuan ko na sila, be, kasi alam mo, pag kumuha sila, parang ang gulo-gulo ng pagkuha nila. Tingnan mo. Example. Yan, 'di ba nakatupi yan? Tapos si Hana okay lang kasi baby pa. Si Hadasa kailangan niya talagang matuto. So, ginaganon-ganon lang nila. Lalo na, example, eto. Pag may kinuha ka dyan, di ba dapat dahan-dahan para maganda pa rin. Ang mangyayari, be, ano, itatapon-tapon nila. Kaya magiging ganito siya, kunyari. Iyan. So, di ba kapagod sa nanay yun? Tsaka alam mo yung kapag kapag yung nagligpit ako sa baba, tapos maya-maya magulo na naman. Alam mo yun, yung parang, pagka hindi ka sanay, kung gusto talagang maayos lagi, tapos pag nakita mo gano'n na naman kakaayos mo lang, maaano ka talaga, lalo pag may mga, ano ka, yung, anong tawag doon? Yung emotional ka, yung halo-halo yung emotions mo. Ang hirap, kasi minsan maiiyak talaga yung nanay, yung lalo na yung mga bago, yung hindi sanay. Kasi kakaligpit mo lang, mamaya-maya magulo na, kawawa talaga ang mga, lalo na yung mga bagong panganak, kawawa talaga. Kasi, ano yan yung emotions, ganun. Pero, masaya pa rin, buti na lang, sa strength ni God, nakakayanan natin. Di ba yung nakaka-relate sa atin dyan? Nakakayanan natin kasi nga, okay lang, nasanay ka na, minsan kunyari naligpit mo na lahat, maganda, as in maganda, tas nagulo na naman, hinahayaan mo na lang, tas liligpitin mo na lang ulit. Pero, thankfully, hindi naman siya yung super palagi. Tsaka, minsan nagiging maayos siya kapag ikaw lang mag-isa, tas naagawa mo na lahat. Yun nga, pag dumating sila galing sa school, magugulo na naman siya. Pero naman, kaya naman yan. O, diba? Ang saya ko na, be, kasi medyo, kasi i-color coordinate natin to. Mas maganda to pag naka-coordinate kasi wala na akong time kasi marami pa akong gagawin. Kusina talaga ngayon ang focus ko, be, kasi ang gulo ng kusina. Hindi pa ako makakuha ng permit dun sa selling natin kaya hindi ko pa magawa. Patatapusin nila yung birthday ni Hana. May ang birthday ni Hana, be. Pero na halos June na magagawa yung birthday niya. Actually June 1. Kasi be, yung reservation dun sa may party area, sabi nung girl, oo daw available. Dapat 18. Ang birthday niya kasi 12, be. Hindi pwede kasi Mother's Day yun. Tapos, be, hindi naman sinabi na pumunta po kayo dito para mag-register. Yung, alam mo na, yung papa nila, busy-busy sa trabaho. Nung pagkasabi na available, walang sinabi na, ilagay niyo na po yung name niyo kagad para para talagang sa inyo na yung slot, ganun. Wala siyang ganun na binigay. Kahit sa akin naman siguro pag nagtanong din ako. Pero yun nga, hindi nga rin na double check. Pero yun, yung trabaho ng nasa doon nag-a-assign. Well, yun, na-move na lang. Dapat 25 hindi pwede kasi meron ding pa-birthday si Ana, yung friend naming isa. Si Sis Leia naman, may camping sila. Kasi 'di ba ito yung time na masarap mag-camping spring. Ayoko namang, alam mo na, may schedule na sila. Nakakahiya naman kung, 'di ba? Mas gusto kong umayon sa schedule nila. So, sa June 1 na lang. Pero okay lang kasi same lang. Kasi Hana nakaranas na yan dati na ang birthday niya May. Nagawa namin talaga mga July na yata kasi July dumating yung lola niya. Oo, kasi yung lola niya kawawa. Kasi nalulungkot yun kasi sabi niya halos lahat daw ng mga events or yung sa part ng buhay ng kids, hindi siya kasali madalas. Tapos sabi ko, ganun pala yung emotions niya, no? So, sabi ko, padating na siya. Kaso nga lang, hindi siya may dumating. Sabi ko, hayaan mo na, gawin na lang natin yung birthday ng pag nandito siya. Para at least, merong celebration na kasama siya. Totoo nga, be. Kasi tignan mo, 3 years dito, 'di ba? Yung time na yun na nasa Florida, nakasali siya. Yun lang yung part na birthday ni Hana. Actually, buti, tuwan-tuwa pa siya kasi kay Hana din siya naka-attend. Actually, kung sa dalawa, kay Hadasa rin, masaya din sana siya. Wala pa yata siya sa birthday ni Hadasa, be. So, timing talaga, buti na lang ganun ang nangyari. Kasi, sa kanila kakaiba yun. Sabi ko, sige, okay lang yan, kasi same year lang naman. Tsaka, iba talaga yung feeling na nandun siya. Ang saya niya. Tsaka, very first birthday na naka-attend siya. Ngayon, hindi na naman siya makaka-attend kasi layo. 'Di ba sayang pamasahe niya eh. Tsaka, hindi ko alam kung mabiyahe siya dito, be. Sobrang mahal lang pamasahe, 'di ba? Kami nakabiyahe lang kami dito kasi libre siya kasama sa work yun. Pagbalik na naman, ganun din kasama rin sa work. So, pagka, yung iba, yung family nila, nagbumibisita, kasi ang dami niyang, busy siya sa work niya talaga, sa office. Tapos, Then, 3 years, mabilis lang naman. Kung halimbawa makakabakasyon talaga siya dito, at least may enjoy niya rin, di ba, yung Japan. First time niya lang makaka-attend din. Tapos, after nun, wala na, tuloy-tuloy na hindi na sa Japan. Kaya tuwan-tuwa rin ako, na nakarating kami dito. Kasi nga, sayang, di ba, Asia siya. So, ang saya niya, para kang nasa Pilipinas. At saka, yung mga pagkain, sa soup lang naman pala, no? Kasi parang lomi din natin. So, yung mga ramen, masarap siya, ganon. Yun. Meron din dun sa US, kasi mahal dun ng Japanese food. Pero kung marunong ka na, kunyari sa YouTube, talaga magaling ka magluto, pwede mong gayahin yung ramen. Pwede mong gayahin. Actually, yung mami natin sa Pinas, kahit yung bok choy, ganon, lagyan mo lang yun ng mga nori tsaka egg. Halos parehas, yung lasa. Siguro matamis lang ng konti sa kanila, kasi iba, naglalagay ng konting sugar. Feeling ko lang Oo. At saka, meron namang recipe sa YouTube, so magagaya mo naman talaga siya. So, kahit kunyari nakabalik kami sa US, gagayahin ko na lang kung nag-crave talaga ako. Kasi yung iba, yung mga authentic restaurants, medyo malayo yata. Or kung meron man, super mahal. Parang, kunyari per order, 15 to $20, ganun siya kamahal. So, 1,000 siya, ganun siya. Pero kung nag-crave ka, kung halimbawang malapit lang sa tipong mami or bachoy, magagawa mo siya sa bahay kasi maglalaga ka lang naman eh. Yung iba, yung bachoy ano lang yun, lahat na halos ng, alam mo na, ng recipe para lalong sumarap siya. May mga buto-buto ka doon, may pork ka. Ewan ko yung iba kung hinahaluan ng chicken. Ayun lang, napachika na naman. We love you, have a great day! So yun, ngayon mag-aasikaso tayo, papasok na sila sa school, umaga na ngayon. And just happy na okay na siya. Tapos konti na lang liligpitin natin. May mga clothes pa sa baba na kailangan kong ayusin. Yun. Ayun, papakita ko sa inyo yung dito. Ito yung ilalagay ko sa birthday ni Hadasa. Siya pumili nito, Ewan ko sa hindi niya alam na. Hindi niya alam na may pagka tiger yung yung ito Hindi niya alam. Tapos pinakita ko sa video. Sabi niya. Pero okay. Sabi ko sa kanya, okay lang yun. Kasi sa theme ng birthday ni Hana, magagamit natin yun. Tsaka yung pinakita natin kagabi. Ano pa ba yung isa? Oo, yung dalawang bear. Diba? Cute siya, diba? Meron siyang balloons sila. Pero iladagdag sa may extra table. Ayan na, asikasuin muna natin. Pasok sila sa school. Nagre-ready na si Hana. Na siya, change outfit. Have a great day. We love you. No, I'm not showing you. It's far. Say, I love you, beautiful friends.
I love you, beautiful friends.
Okay, sabi ni Hannah, I love you, beautiful friends. Have a great day. We love you. Thank you for watching the videos. Take care, everyone. Have a great year. We love you. Hi, she's going to school now. Have a great day. We love you. Look, be. Wow, it's so beautiful. Pa na siya yung maliit na puno sa likod niyang green dun sa kapitbahay. Hindi makita. Para siyang Japanese tree talaga. Hi, Hannah! She's going to school. This is her jacket. It's warm and cozy, O, diba? Ayan. It's from Shein. Warm and cozy. It's very perfect for winter. Hindi, kasi malamig pa rin naman. Today is spring. Yan, she's going to wear it. It's warm and cozy. Tapos ito for Hadasa. Let's fix her hair. This is the tree now. I'll show you. Wow! It's so beautiful. Weather is great. Ayan, we love you. Have a great day. Perfect.